What's up, YouTube? This is Mr. How-To52 showing you how to disassemble and reassemble a Beretta Airsoft pistol. First, you start off by popping the pin out with like a wire or something skinny, and then pull it out with some pliers, and that's what the pin looks like. Set that aside and make sure you don't lose that. Then you would slide forward about that much, grab right there, and put your hand right there, put your fingers right there, pull down, and then grab right there with your finger, pull down, pull out. Put that aside. And that's the barrel stuff. Yep. Take your recoil spring, set that aside. Barrel, set that aside also. Piston and the other piston together. It's shooting spring and your hammer hitter thing. To reassemble, you would grab your barrel, recoil springs, put this on the bottom, your pistons, put it in like that, grab your slide, set it in, that, get your small spring, and then this has to face up in here. So we put that in like that, and push and up. Yep. Make sure nothing flies out. Grab your slide and your body. Set it right here. Drop it in. And slide back. And then you will get your pin. And you notice there's a rigged side and a smooth side. You get the rigged side, and that faces towards you, and the smooth side you push in, and then you just hit it with something. I have pliers, and then there you go. That's how to strip it and reassemble it. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more stuff. Peace out.